Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. For today's video, we're checking out this massager gun. So let's go ahead, show you guys what you get inside the box. Get a little manual in here. You get the gun itself. So this is what it looks like. It is wireless. On the bottom is how you turn it on and also how you charge it. Slide that to the on position. It then lights up. And then you have multiple modes. And you just simply select. You tap the power button and you select what mode you want. How fast? These are the different extension heads that you have. This one's kind of like a flower. It is a hard plastic. You have like a little Y here. Again, hard plastic. You have a little bullet here. Hard plastic. You got like a key piece. Hard plastic. And then you got this one, which has lots of rivets on it, and that's hard plastic. To give you your charging cable, it is a Type-C. So, to place one of these on, you slide it down in. And now it's in. So we're gonna actually select another one here. Let's go ahead and do, let's try this one. So you pop that down in place. So it's deep tissue massager. You can apply pressure, but you don't have to. It does most of the work for you. That one doesn't seem to want to go in. These go in, but this one doesn't want to stay in. So that one just doesn't want to lock in. These, they lock in perfectly fine. You know, they don't. Interesting. And of course, your speed, you know, you can drop it down to just low speed. That one's pretty good. So that one, this one does not lock in. I'm not sure what's up with that. Must something with it. Let's try this one. That one is not. That one's not locking in as well. That one's locking in. This one locks in. The bullet locks in. So we might have to check our manual. These three lock in. These just fall right out. So I'm not sure if something. Let's go and try and pull this down and see if maybe that will solve the problem. Nope, that just doesn't want to lock in. Huh, interesting. Something with that rubber looks weird. Like it, I don't know. Oh, there we go. I think the rubber got pushed up somehow. So let's see, we flip the rubber back. Let's see if this locks in now. All right, that's holding in place now. So if you have that problem, ours had this rubber right on here. It looks like a ring. You pull it front, and then you try and, no, how did we do that first one? For some reason, these two came with the rubber rolled up, which is weird. So that one's gonna be a little tough. So yeah, I mean, right out of the box, you know, if you guys have an issue with the rubber, I don't know why, you know, ours was all, but on two of these it was folded, so you just have to lay the rubber down if your piece don't fit in. It will work good. Not sure what that issue is going on, like why it was rolled up from factory. Maybe it was used or something, I'm not sure. But either way, you know, you guys can check out the listing and see if this is something that you are interested in.